This, my friends, right here is one of the best tools Ryobi ever made, the most valuable one to have. It was so good that they discontinued it as soon as they realized their massive mistake. Now you might be wondering to yourself, if it was so good, why did they discontinue it? They weren't selling enough or something like that? No. These were selling like you wouldn't believe. That was the problem. Why would Ryobi have you pay $90 for a tool that does 6 different things instead of selling you 6 different separate tools for $500? That was their reasoning, I imagine. This was too much of a value all in one package. You know, one base. You have like 6 different heads that came with this thing. You could get a reciprocating saw head for this. You could get the Dremel head. You could get 3/8 ratchet head for it, rotary tool head for it, or more to, oh, the jigsaw attachment head for it. You had a right hand drill, you had a right hand impact. This guy here would have ended up costing Ryobi millions in potential sales. So if you can get your hands on one of these, grab it. Especially if you see one used for under $100 and it's guaranteed to work, like on eBay or something like that. I would say grab it, hands down. I'm about to buy another one. Even though this one is still perfectly operational and it doesn't have any flaws or anything like that, I will cry the day this dies. I will literally cry the day this dies because it's just so much value in one tool. And this thing has been through the trenches with me. I have beat the dog shit out of this tool and it will not quit. And last but not least, Ridgid jobmax heads are completely compatible with this. Matter of fact, those are the only heads I can find now, are genuine Ridgid ones. It's crazy, isn't it? Is it Ridgid or is it Ryobi? Who knows? But definitely worth it. If you find one, grab it.